Okay guys, when you do this lab, you're going to take your trays, and the first thing I want you to do is line up toothpicks beside each well, like this. One here, and one here. You'll have to use a separate toothpick for each well, and you don't want to get those mixed up. I already had these set up. And depending on how your group is divided, you may want to have one person responsible for checking Mr. Smith's blood, another person responsible for Mr. Green, and so on. Or you could have one person responsible for dropping all the blood. So you would put Mr. Smith's in each of these wells. And notice you have antibodies that will also go in with your blood. This is antibody A. You'll look on here and you'll see anti-A serum. And you have antibody B serum. And we also have RH antibodies, which are also called D. So these correspond to these wells. So you will add the same amount of antibody as you did blood. So for antibody A, you will add that to A. Okay, antibody B, you will add to B. And antibody RH, you will add to your RH well. Okay, you will give these a little stir. Just kind of spread them out so that they fill up your entire well. And leave your toothpick beside the well so you don't get them mixed up. It's very important. You don't want your A antibodies that are now on this toothpick to accidentally get put in B, because that would contaminate your results. Okay, so as I was saying, you might have one person to do just blood, and another person come along and put in antibody A into each of these. That person could go ahead actually and put A antibodies in each well, and RH into each well, and B into each well. Now we'll come back over here to this tray, and you don't get an immediate result. So what you want to do is give it another stir, and we actually start to notice a little bit of action going on here. The antibodies are clumping with the antigens, and so you see a little bit of agglutination occurring there. Okay, we don't see anything occurring here. However, you want to come back in a few minutes and give it another stir just to be sure of your results. Okay, thank you.